Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're connecting and starting the Equalizer now. First, open the JBL app or the device's EQ panel and pair with your speaker. Select a preset that matches the style you want: bass boost for punch, vocal for clarity, or flat to build from neutral. Once done, enable advanced mode if the app offers it so you can access individual bands. Make sure master volume sits around 75% to prevent clipping while you adjust the bands. Now you fine-tune the bands to shape the sound. Start at the low end, reduce 2120 Hz if the mix rumbles, or raise 6080 Hz slightly for punch. Then move to the mids, boost 252 kHz carefully to bring instruments forward, and cut 300-600 Hz if things sound muddy. Once you have mids settled, adjust highs. Increase 4-8 kHz for clarity and 10-6. Finish by verifying and saving your settings. You should /B test by switching the EQ on and off with a familiar track to confirm improvement, then save the custom preset if it sounds better. If you hear distortion or clipping, lower the master gain or reduce any boosted bands by 3 to 6 dB to regain headroom. If results still aren't right, reset to flat and recalibrate in a quiet room using a reference song so you can tweak bands from a neutral starting point.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.